Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2016 Toyota Corolla, and in this video I'd like to show you how to take off the front driver's side door panel. In order, if you have to do some maintenance or stuff with your car or whatever would be the reason, I'll show you how to take the panel off. So let's start. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna try to open this lid right here. You can use a nail or screwdriver or whatever. So first thing, take a screwdriver, open this lid, and there will be a screw. Take the screw out. Okay, so once we have the screw out, next step, we have to remove this plastic piece on the handle. We take a regular screwdriver. You have a hole here, you have a gap here, as you can see. Get it in, and easy, don't force nothing. Just open this thing up. I'll use two hands and a screwdriver. That's it. So got the handle off. Next step, Phillips screwdriver, and there are two screws. One is here, second one is right there. So take these out now. Okay, I got my screws here. At this point, the door panel is being held down. Oh, okay, we have to remove also this thing. So just grab it and pull it off. Okay, you're just gonna like this. At this point, the door panel is being held down by clips all around the perimeter. So what I'm doing, I have to warn you, sometimes you might break a clip. It is a possibility, okay? I have to warn you. So let's start. Put you guys here, and so what I'll find a gap right here. I'm going gap. That's where I'm gonna stick my screwdriver in. First, I'm gonna try to do it without the screwdriver, just pulling with the hand. Okay, yeah, it went without the hand, so fine. And you want to, little by little, oh, it's actually very easy. Unclip the panel from the door. So we unclip the panel, raise it up, and we're all set. Next step, remove links from the handle, remove the connector. Okay, so what I did, I pressed the thing on the side and raised it up with the screwdriver, and that's when it came out. I don't know why they made it so complicated like this, but it's fine. Okay, let's leave this here. And now we have access to our door and whatever we have to do with it. Window motor, regulator, speaker, everything. The handle is on the panel. Do whatever you have to do maintenance. And after that, putting back is the same exact reverse procedure. Straightforward. So let's do it. First thing, let's connect that connector. So connector. It just slides in. Okay, so just slide the connector in. Sometimes the clips might stay not in the panel but in the door. In this case, you just take the clip out and put it back in the door and reuse it. This thing we're gonna set aside. Links for the handles. So let's figure out which one goes where. This will be the bottom. So first you put the ball inside, and then you click again, ball and click. Okay, now align the top Okay, so that's the most important thing. You don't want to have any gap here. You align it, align clip. Okay, so you see the clip, it goes in the hole. Good. And smack on it. That's it. The pedal is in place. Double check through the hole. The hole is aligned, everything nice. Put this thing back on. It just clicks on like this. Next step, 2 screws, this one and this one, put them back in. Once you have the screws in, we just have to finish with this thing here. Okay. Okay, it just clicks in. Okay, so nice and easy. Last step, screw goes back in that place, and then you just close the lid. So as you can see, it's a very simple procedure. Guys, if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.